Hey everybody, hope y'all having a nice night. It's Joey. I'm working on another project in my garage. Usually I'm working on this car here and other stuff, but right now I'm starting a new project, which is a finish line. So I'm going to try to drag race some trains. So I'm coming up with some sort of a switch here to where the first one will activate a light before the other one goes off. I made these swing arms out of this plastic shoebox, and there'll be contacts right here to where when the train hits it, it'll activate a light. Yeah, this is a low-tech way of determining a winner, and I'm sure I could use photocells or some other form of activation, but this is going to be probably the most accurate because it's going to go off when it hits the front of the train hits it. If I had some sort of laser, it might go off when this part of the engine hits the laser or the coupler. So for now this will work. Besides, I am low tech. Excuse the wiring job, I need to get some mounts for these relays. I ended up using 2 of them so that we would only have one winner if it was a close race. One crosses, the other light will not come on.